Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Sean Walker with Light Precise Plans. We're a leader in 3D scanning innovation. Yeah, so we're here today at the Colorado Convention Center. We're working with a signage manufacturer that's getting ready for an event here, and they need detailed drawings of the building so they can customize their graphics to fit. So here we are. It's a beautiful day. We're with the RTC 360, and we're going to take some scans. It'd be really hard to go up there and measure everything by hand. You need a scissor lift. So they hire us to basically give them a very detailed drawing of exactly what the building has, so they can customize their graphics to it. For this one, we'll need to scan on the highest setting because we're trying to go up to high distances. So I'm going to crank I'm going to set the intensity at high so we can capture all the details. The signage manufacturer is, going to wrap a bunch. They're going to do custom pieces, so they really need to know everything that's involved on the building. They need very, very detailed plans. It saves them a lot of time because typically they'd come here and they'd get whatever measurements they can from the ground, and then they'd have to come here with all their stuff and kind of do the install on site, which takes forever, which involves a lot of cutting and pasting and all the build outs that they have. They would need to saw it and fix it so everything fits in place. They're wrapping the glaze to even down to this sculpture down here, which I'll show you in a bit. So it's very, very hard to get some of this stuff with manual measuring tapes and hand lasers. So that's where we come in. So yep, another fun project. So as you can see, there's a lot of detail to this building, and that would be very, very hard for a signage manufacturer to figure out what they can put, and how big, and where. So our scans really help them with their entire project. And this works in a lot of different applications, sporting event, anywhere you pretty much have events. You can scan the building and you save the signage manufacturer tons of time, tons of cost savings, time, money, what have you. So it's very, very beneficial for their industry. So yeah, we'll keep scanning here. So yeah, the laser scanning really, really helps with projects like this. I can think back to 10 years ago when we would do something like this. It would be you'd have to section off the sidewalk. You'd have to get a permit. You'd have to get a lift. You'd have to measure everything perfectly. So it was very, very difficult to do back then. Now it's super easy. It's very quick. Work our way around the building. We have everything we need. Yeah, and you can see even the bear sculpture behind me. It'd be next to impossible to see what your graphics and your custom designs would look like around the bear unless you have some kind of scan. Measuring that with normal tapes and lasers is next to impossible. So it's really comes beneficial for signage manufacturers. Yeah, let's keep going. So with traditional measurement techniques, you could never ever get even close to this sculpture and the building and all the detail involved with it. So this is where our tech comes in super handy for sure. It's really a game changer. It really, really is. So yeah, we're pretty much done here from the Colorado Convention Center. We got all the scans we need for the whole graphics package and custom build graphics that they're going to do for the upcoming event here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how beneficial this can be in so many different facets: architecture, construction, engineering, signage. There's very, very, very many different industries that use this technology that we work for. So yeah, it's really, really a game changer. Thanks, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon so we can bring you future videos. Thank you.